Hello and welcome to this week's The Positive Habit. I hope that you are well, and I'm gonna, so that's my dog snorting. Anyhow, I'm gonna do a little hypnotherapy session for you that I would like to focus on the idea of a promise to yourself. And a lot of the work I do with my clients is helping them to really establish a form of continual self-care and self-love. So in terms of, could you focus on making a promise to yourself to spend a little bit of time with yourself each day? So let's get started by closing our eyes together. So closing your eyes and just finding a sense of becoming present into the moment. I invite you to start to deepen your breath. And the more that we deepen our breath together, the more we invite stillness into our world. That this is time purely just for you, as together we turn towards the parts of you that truly need you most. So taking a really deep breath now, the top of the next inhale, make it really, really deep. Hold the breath at the top. Very gently open your eyes, close them, and let the breath go. And just notice that as you exhale, it is possible for you to start to release any unnecessary stress or tension. Every exhale is an opportunity to release and let go. Let's take a beautiful second deep breath together. Right into the belly. Now hold the breath, hold it. As you open your eyes and you close them and gently exhale. And feeling a sense of calmness and stillness being created by you here and now. A final third deep breath right into the belly. Hold at the top as you open your eyes and close them and release. Beautiful. Letting go. I want you to just allow yourself to see an image of yourself. And I want you to imagine it's like that same idea of looking into a mirror, that you look into your own eyes. Allow yourself to look without any judgment. Allow yourself to look with acceptance. And imagine that you maintain this strong and open eye contact. And you simply state, I promise to take care of you. Just notice what happens inside. To know that there is a presence within you that genuinely cares and loves for the deepest parts of who you are. The ability to be there for yourself, even when things get tough or challenges come your way. Maintain the eye contact. I promise to take care of you. Keep the breath nice and deep. As in the coming days of this week, allow yourself to just turn back into that promise, to return to it, to honor it, just the way you would do when you make a promise to anyone else, a child, a family member, and a friend. Giving yourself that same devotion, nurturing and loving each part of you. So allowing that to settle, giving yourself a big smile. I'm going to gently count upwards from 1 to 3, and together we'll open our eyes. So breathe in for 1. Bit of movement coming back, moving your head, your fingers, your toes. Breathe in for 2. Maybe look forward to a nice stretch the rest of the day. Lots of energy now coming your way. Beautiful, positive energy as together we breathe in for 3 and open our eyes. Yay! Back in the room. Thank you so much for being with me. I truly hope this has been beneficial to you. If it has, of course, please do like it and share it and spread the positivity. And I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.